Hi, fifth grader. You have some work to do in writing, and I wanted to show you what you're going to do. So I'd like for you to go to Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, click on Writing. Once you're in Writing, go to the Friday folder. In the Friday folder, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 tasks to complete. So you'll start at the top where it says Getting Ready to Write. So you're going to read the information. Anytime that you come to a page in Schoology, you should go over and scroll down because there's always more information. So you have the words to read, and then as you scroll down, it keeps going, and you have a Q1. So there's something that you're going to be posting. So those are the directions for the first task. I'm not reading them to you. I expect for you to read those, please. After you complete the first task, click Next. There are directions and there's an article for you to read. Remember, when you're on a page in Schoology, you don't see everything and you have to scroll down. There's a question about the article, so you'll answer the question, and you do by, your picture should be here, and you'll click in Write a Comment. After you type, then you'll click Post. That's task 2. When that is complete, click Next. There are directions here for you. Please read them. Scroll down. Every time you're on a Schoology page, you should scroll down so you see everything on the page. Once you complete this task, click Next. It will take you longer to complete each task. I'm just giving a preview. Click Next. There's information for you to read. Once again, scroll. Your picture will be here. You'll click in, write a comment, and follow those directions. Once you have completed this task, the sharing and reflecting task, you have completed the work for Friday. Please email me if you have any questions.